we're back at the orphanage. Wait, who? Not Kiyui! Man, if it's not one thing, it's another. What happened to him? He just got sick? This is so trash. I hate this. Wait, like, did he just put them in charge? Oh, today's his birthday? Huh? Oh, that story that Nat was telling Reg. Oh, wow. Man, these curses of the Abyss. Absolute trash. Yeah, I don't think it's a story made up if the number keeps going up. They're at 5 now? What? Oh, he's fine! So what, we had to get him out of the city? Or get him away from the Abyss? This is great. I'm very happy about this. Yeah, it is some kind of curse. Wow, more powerful than poison, it said. Wow. Man, some of these like quotes that the narrator is talking about, it really makes you think. Just like give your own like perspective on it and stuff like that. Like what I was saying last episode about all the deaths and stuff from the Abyss giving birth to like new flowers and things like that. Kind of how Nanachi's friend, Nanachi had like a relationship with her friend, and well, the way that I interpreted it was kind of like Nanachi hearing Reg like just mourn his friend, thinking that Rico's gonna die, and not wanting someone else to go through the same thing. Kind of made Nanachi decide, okay, I'll go help them. That way, someone else doesn't have to go through this. And who knows, maybe turn into like another friendship between the three of them, like blossoming something new. Anyway, that's just what I was thinking about. So, what are you doing? Are you licking her? Say it, you little what? Yeah, I just thought about that. We actually saw Mitty in a flashback last episode. So yeah, Mitty definitely isn't Liza. Huh? Oh, okay. That's cool. Oh yeah, definitely keep Mitty alive. When I was thinking about last episode, like how long do you want your friend to live like that? Can you get off her face, please? I wanna know. I bet she cooks like Shion. Like it looks disgusting, but it actually tastes really good. He's like, I'm used to Rico's cooking. I'm not really sure about all this. Sticky mud. Oh yeah, there was a fish in it. Mitty, can you get off her face? Yeah, it's not that bad, is it? Oh, never mind. I retract my statement. Discharge? Ew, then. Man, when Rico wakes up, we're gonna change your life. We're gonna give you some real food.
おいらほら美味しい料理とか食べたことないし。
リコが目覚めてこれを食べたら今度こそ死んでしまう。
He got so serious.
まあ嫌なら食うなよ。
Yeah, that's right. If you don't like it, don't eat it. Did he learn to cook from Rico? I'm sure he has after all this time.
ナナチ、教えてくれ。君はアビスの呪いを回避する方法を知っているのではないか。
Yeah. How did you survive coming up the sixth layer?
見えないやつに教えたところでな。おいらの秘密でもあるしな。
Who can't see it? He probably can see it.
僕にできることならどんな取引でも応じる。だから。
まあ近づくなよ。
Yeah, man. Personal space.
特別に体験させてやるよ。
Oh, wow. Cloak of invisibility.
ほれ、お前も入りな。
So he does have his helmet. I was wondering where it was.
これは一体。
三級異物切り折り。
Oh, wow.
ちょうどこんな感じだな。
何がだ。
アビスの呪いの正体だよ。
Okay.
こんな感じのふわふわがな、何重にも重なってオイラたちを覆ってるのさ。オイラたちが動けば合わせて動き、息をしただけで流れができる。
Okay.
触れてもたわむだけだ。ちょうどこの布みたいにな。
ならどうすればかかると言うんだ。
それはこう
Pulling it over yourself? Oh, ripping through it.
舞うと症状が一気に出る。手の先とかならほぼ影響ねえけど、頭とか胸とか命に近そうなとこが通ると。
Yeah.
降りるときはどうなってるんだ。
まあ上から通り抜ける分にはスルリだ。はい。
Interesting.
ほれ、こんな感じだな。まるで獲物を捕らえる罠さ。力場だよ。地下世界に光を運び、同時に観測を阻む。
Okay.
逃げ場なんてどこにもありゃしない。
だがナナチのアジト周辺は呪いがないではないか。
Yeah, you did say that.
縦穴から遠いほど力場は弱くなるんだ。
Oh, well, we already knew that, though. We already knew that, didn't we?
シーカーキャンプ付近も。
Yeah.
そういうことか。
意識にまで反応して流れを作るんだ。わかるか？意識が読めれば動きも読める。玉うがちは勘がいいんじゃねえ。未来予知ができるのさ。
Oh, wow.
奈落の底に挑むってのは、この先死の呪いが充満する中で、未来を読む捕食者を相手にしてくってことだ。なかなか愉快だろ？
Yes, yes it does. 100%.
さあな、見えもしないのにどうしてんだろうな。
そんな。
I feel like Red can see it. Oh, his helmet can probably see it.
その兜貸してみ。
ああ。
What if Nanachi puts it on and it works for Nanachi?
ただし、約束な。オイラの指示は絶対だ。
I'll do whatever you say. Man, if you wake up and Reg isn't there and that thing's on top of you, you'd be freaking out. Oh, we're like in her mental state right now. Can Rico understand MIDI or something? Like, what's happening? Are they talking to each other? Or is like MIDI trying to bring Rico back from her like unconscious state or something? We're gonna see the orb piercer again.
声はするけど、ナナチどこにいるんだ。
大丈夫。
Yeah, I was about to say, don't worry about that. You just focus.
そのまま前進だ。
了解した。
Man, how do you fight an enemy that can see the future? What's that whistle?
なんだ。
And this guy is not listening. He's just running in. Oh, who are you? Wait,
ダメだ。
黒笛だ。
who is he blowing the whistle for?
あの先客を助けてみるか。
当然だ。
It's like, this is great for training. Who is he, when he blew the whistle, who did he think was gonna show up?
何があってもオイラの指示通りだ。そうすりゃ
Alright,
タマちゃん
here
も
we go.
退治できて、あいつも助かる。
Is there only one?
了解した。
Or are there more? Because if you dispose of this one, I'm sure there's another one somewhere.
そいじゃあとりあえず思いっきり上向いてみ。
正気か。
Yeah.
いいか、思いっきりだぞ。
しかし。
Just do what she says.
そいつは気にするな。
Don't worry about that
返
guy.
すな。
Yeah, Reg, stop questioning it.
ということは
My orders are law. Oh, absolute. Is he going Super Saiyan?
そのまま右側へ飛べ。
年がたい。
お前が掴んでいるのは力場を感じ取る器官。
Oh, wow.
混乱したやつはなりふり構わず仕留めに来る。今だ、
Oof.
絡め取れ。
I'm sure Reg will be fine to the poison, though. I don't think it'll affect him.
ぶちかまってやれ。
Beat it to a pulp. Oh, yeah, he's like, yeah. I got some misplaced anger I got for you. Just incinerate her off the bat. That's crazy. Just split it down the middle. Wait. Did it dodge him? Oh, wow. Oh, now we got 10 minutes. Reg, it's time to lock in. Has Nanachi seen that before? Did she do the... Is Nanachi a boy or a girl? I'm gonna just look it up after this, because I don't know. That thing is smart. It shed its scales, its spines, or whatever it was. Where's the black whistle?
逃げられた。
8割も針を自節したんだ。もうここで狩りはできねえ。
Until it grows him back. Yeah, hurry up, you got 10 minutes.
おい、そいつに近づくな。タマちゃんがいなくなった今、オイラたちにとっちゃ一番危険なのがタンクツカだぞ。
Reg's gonna be like, do you know Habu? He's a friend of mine.
いや、一体。
ことづけを頼まれてくれないか。
Oh yeah, that's smart.
ベルチェロ孤児院のジルオという人に当ててだ。
ベルチェロのジルを。
That's cool. Yeah, because they haven't sent up any messages since they've been down there. I figured they would send one up while they were at the seeker camp or something. Like tell Ozuna to reach out to the orphanage.
すまない。
ま、オイラのこと言わなかったからいいけどさ。
Yeah.
お前とつながりがあるって分かったらやばくね。
大丈夫。
Oh, that's true
一
too.
番信頼できる人だから。それにしてもすごかったぞ、ナナチ。
He's gonna like pass out mid-sentence.
あのな、お前に頼みたいことができた。
おお、
Can I
なん
come
だ。
with you?
何でも言ってくれ。
ま
Oh, maybe that's not what it is.
あ、ミーティーを殺してくれ。
How did I know that that was coming? Like ever since I first saw Midi, I was like, I personally wouldn't want my friend to live like that. Even if, you know, they could make a cure for any poison. I just don't think I could do it. Whoa, what is this?
ミーティー。
Oh, is that the bottom?
ミーティー逃げてごめんよ。もうあいつの好きになんかさせたりしない。
Oh, it's probably the 5th layer. She's probably talking about the white whistle. There's a lot of blood. Is that Nanachi or is that Midi bleeding? Probably Nanachi. I saw blood coming from the tail. Oh, that's it. Alright, that's it for this episode of MadeInAbyss. So I did end up looking up whether Nanachi was a boy or a girl. And it says that there's no clear definition. You know, in the story or in the manga, they never really said. So it's, from what I read, it's kind of left up to the interpretation of the reader. Unlike Maruk, where Maruk, they stated was a boy. But apparently Nanachi is just kind of left up to your discretion. So, I don't know, it sounds like a girl. So I'm not really sure. But if what I looked up was wrong, please let me know. But this episode was very informational. So yeah, we learned kind of what the Curse of the Abyss or how it affects you is. So it's kind of like a thin layer then there, I mean, you know, like they said, it's kind of the force field, and you can go in it, but whenever you try to come up out of it is whenever it like attacks, or that's when the curse is applied upon you. And so what they did a really good job of explaining it. I am going to go back and read it again to make sure I didn't miss anything, but that's basically the gist of it. And so Nanachi never really explained to Reg how Nanachi was able to survive coming back up from the sixth layer. So we might get that later. I'm not really sure. And then I guess to conclude with Nanachi, you know, Nanachi asked Reg to kill Midi for her, so that's gonna be rough. But as I was saying before, it really just comes up to, I mean, it comes down to the question of, are you willing to let your friend live like that? And there's no telling how long Midi has been living like that. And you know, yeah, it's hopeful that Midi is able to create a poison. Like if you inject Midi with a poison, it'll basically come up with not a cure, but basically a way to get around it, is how they explained it, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I'm sure it would suck having your friend live like that. And like I said, for who knows how long. So I think in the next episode, we're going to go through and see how they escaped from wherever they were, or that white whistle. I'm sure that's who that they were escaping from. And yeah, I believe that's it for Nanachi. But oh yeah, Kiyui. If Kiyui died, I was going to be so upset. And I think that maybe Kiyui can't live on the island anymore. Like maybe I don't know. I just assumed it was the Curse of the Abyss, just because even though Nat told that scary story, I was like, that's the only thing that makes sense around here. Like if something's going wrong, we're just gonna blame the Curse of the Abyss. But as soon as they got Kiyui off the island, he was fine. So I don't know if Kiyui will be able to go back to the orphanage or not. I'm not really sure. But I just want Kiyui to live. There's that. And then yeah, with Rico and Midi, they're kind of like, I don't know if they're talking telepathically or if for some reason Rico can understand Midi, or I'm not sure what's going on there. But it was kind of like Rico was kind of trapped in her own mind, and Midi was there trying to, I guess, kind of pull her out, make her snap out of it or something. But I feel like when Rico comes to, like whenever she does regain consciousness, that I don't think she'll let Reg kill Midi or something. Or it may be like something dark and Midi's probably begging Rico like, hey, like let them kill me. I don't know. But yeah, all in all, it was a great episode. We only have one more left for season 1. That's crazy. We still haven't seen the other White Whistle. I feel like we're gonna see him next episode, but probably just a flashback. Oh, we saw him in a flashback before. Yeah, MadeInAbyss has been such an adventure, and I can't wait to continue with season 2. But anyway, I'll save that for the next video. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.